Imagine knowing the secret to tripling your affiliate marketing earnings with just one simple data trick sounds impossible? Stick around, and I'll show you the exact steps that could change everything for you. Don't miss out. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Picture being able to pinpoint exactly why some affiliate links outperform others, transforming your strategy from guesswork to a data-driven powerhouse. The secret? It's all in the key performance indicators, or KPI, and how you leverage them can make or break your affiliate marketing success. First up, click-through rate, or CTR. This metric measures how often people who see your affiliate link actually click on it. It's like having a window into your audience's interest level in the products you're promoting. If your CTR is low, it might be time to revamp your content or reconsider the products you're endorsing. Next on the list, conversion rate. This KPI tells you the percentage of clicks that convert into actual sales. It's the golden number that shows whether your audience is just browsing or ready to buy. A low conversion rate might indicate that while your links are getting clicks, there's a disconnect before the purchase. Perhaps the product isn't resonating or the offer isn't compelling enough. Then there's the average order value, or AOV. This measures the average amount spent each time a customer completes an order through your affiliate link. AOV is crucial because it helps you understand the value of your conversions. Boosting your AOV can significantly impact your earnings, even without increasing traffic or conversion rate. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Are you struggling to find the right niche, understand affiliate marketing, or simply drive traffic to your site? I'm here with Profit Pulse, your essential guide to overcoming the challenges of affiliate marketing. From choosing profitable niches that spark your passion to mastering SEO and creating high-quality content, Profit Pulse provides actionable insights and strategies tailored for both beginners and seasoned marketers. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technical skills or compliance issues. Navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing with our expert advice and start scaling your business effectively. Don't miss out on elevating your affiliate marketing game. Visit digmarketing101.com/newsletter to subscribe to Profit Pulse today and turn those affiliate marketing challenges into achievement. Let's grow your business together. Lastly, we can't talk about KPI without mentioning return on investment, or ROI. This metric will show you the profitability of your affiliate campaigns. It takes into account the cost of your efforts versus the return. Optimizing for a high ROI means you're making more money back than you're putting into your affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, it's all about tracking these metrics effectively. Most affiliate programs offer some level of analytics, but don't stop there. Tools like Google Analytics can give deeper insights, allowing you to track visitor behavior from click to conversion. But here's the million-dollar question. Are you monitoring the KPI in your affiliate campaigns right now? And if not, which one will you start with? Envision scrolling through endless spreadsheets filled with numbers and percentages, trying to decipher the success of your affiliate marketing campaigns. Overwhelming, right? Now, picture those figures transforming into colorful charts and interactive dashboards, instantly revealing insights into what's working and what's not. That's the magic of data visualization, and in the realm of affiliate marketing, it's your golden ticket to making informed decisions that can skyrocket your earnings. Data visualization is not just about making pretty graphs. It's about turning complex data into a story that anyone can understand at a glance. Whether you're tracking conversion rates, average order values, or the ROI of your campaigns, visualizing this data simplifies analysis and highlights trends and patterns that might go unnoticed in traditional reports. Tools like Google Analytics provide a solid foundation with user-friendly interfaces and customizable dashboards, making it easy to monitor your affiliate links' performance. For those looking to take it a step further, Tableau and Microsoft Power BI offer advanced capabilities, allowing you to combine data from multiple sources and create even more detailed visualizations. But having these tools at your fingertips is just part of the equation. The real power lies in your ability to interpret these visual data representations. Understanding how to read a heat map, for example, can show you precisely where your audience's attention is focused on a page, guiding you on where best to place your affiliate links. Similarly, a well-constructed funnel chart can illuminate the customer's journey, pinpointing where potential buyers drop off and how you can improve conversion rates. Now, armed with these insights, imagine the tweaks and transformations you can apply to your strategy. Visual data not only illuminates the path to optimization, but also empowers you to make decisions backed by concrete evidence, not just gut feelings. I'm curious, what's been your biggest challenge in visualizing your affiliate marketing data? And how do you think adopting these techniques could change the game for you?